Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the newly launched iconic hairspray Elle Knit by L'Oreal Paris. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything that it does, how you can incorporate this in your everyday life and how I like to use this on my hair as well. Now talking about packaging, it comes in a very nice chic golden packaging like this. The size is absolutely perfect. If you want to travel, it will easily fit in any of your purse so that you can touch up wherever you feel like, and you get 75 ml of product for 250 rupees, which I think is an amazing deal. Now, because of its unique micro diffusion technology, this product spreads through your hair evenly, as you can see. So it distributes the product evenly through your hair and helps hold your hair in place for 24 hours. But it also keeps your hair soft and does not make your hair crunchy and hard. I think that is my biggest problem with any of the other hairsprays in the market, is I do not like my hair to feel very crunchy and hard. I like my hair to have some kind of movement. I like to run my fingers through my hair, and I do not like if a hairspray makes my hair look very sticky and very crunchy and hard, and this does not do that. Now, another thing that I absolutely love about this product is that its fragrance is very mild, so it does not irritate you. It does not give you that headache that other hairsprays give, but it also provides shine to your hairstyle. So once you have done your hairstyle, you can spray this to keep your hairstyle in place, but it will also do the job of giving your hairstyle and giving your hair some nice shine, so you don't have to use an extra product for it. How I like using it is, ever since I cut my bangs, I usually do it out of excitement, but then it starts bothering me. So I like to just take the front bits of my hair and pin it away. Like this, and I'm just going to curl the front bits of my hair. I did curl my hair off camera because it gets very repetitive and boring. So now, once I have curled my hair, I'm just going to use the spray on the top of my head to tame any flyaways and any kind of frizz, and then just to my curls here to hold it. Now usually these curls stay about for like 30 minutes until they fall flat, but with this spray it will stay for a longer time. So I'm just going to spray this and then just run my my hands like this on my hair, and as you can see, it provides a lot of shine as well. And I'm going to spray some now. Because of the micro diffuser in this spray, it spreads evenly, and as you can see, I can run through my hair with my fingers and the curls are still there, they don't fall. And I'm just, as you can see, there's no baby hair sticking on top because the hairspray has tamed the flyaways, and you can see the curls are in place, but they also have a lot of shine and a lot of movement to it. My hair is not sticky and crunchy at all, and that is one thing I really love about this spray. Another thing is that the spray just evenly distributes the product throughout your hair, so there's not a big just like a lot of hairspray at one particular place, and it doesn't make your hair sticky like that. Because of the micro diffusion technology, it is evenly spread, and my entire hair is feeling really soft and shiny. Now, another thing about this hairspray is that it will disappear at the stroke of a brush. Now, not only brush, even if you just run through your fingers, you will hardly feel the hairspray because this does not make your hair sticky or heavy like other hairsprays. Now, to conclude the video, I think every girl needs to own a hairspray in her kit. because it will come handy in a lot of occasions. And what better than the Elnett spray, because this is just 250 rupees and it does so many amazing things. Another thing about this hairspray that I really like is that you will not find the need to wash your hair the next day. Now it's totally up to you. If you want to, you can obviously wash your hair, but this does not leave your hair feeling sticky or heavy, so you will not find the need to wash it. In fact, it will leave your hair really soft and smooth to touch and give your hair an amazing, very mild fragrance, so you will not find the need to wash your hair at all. I personally really like this spray, guys, because I love how it still manages to hold your hair but keeps your hair really soft and does not feel hard and crunchy. I have used previous sprays and I never liked how it felt, and that's why I never owned a proper hairspray, because I just don't like feeling heavy on my hair. That's the reason I never used to buy any hair products, but this does not do that at all. It almost feels like you do not have any hairspray on your hair at all, but it still manages to hold your hairstyle and give you that shine and keep your hair style in place for a very long time. So it's been a while, guys, since I did the hairstyle. I removed my poof, and as you can see, even though I removed my poof, my hair is not crusty, it is not hard, it does not feel sticky at all. It's just very smooth and shiny. But as you can see, the curls in my hair is still holding really well. It does not, feel hard. Like, that is my main issue. I do not like my hair feeling like there's something on it or feeling very heavy, and that is exactly what it has done. But it has still managed to hold those curls that I did in the end, and it's holding it beautifully, and I really like it. And I also like the fact how my hair on top does not feel crunchy, it does not feel hard at all. Like, I know I'm going on repeating the same thing again and again, but I'm really amazed that a hairspray can hold your hairstyle in place but still not make your hair really crusty and hard and sticky to touch. So that is one thing I really like, and yeah, I'm really happy with how my hair looks. So that's it for today's video, guys. I will leave the link to this product in the description box. You can check it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.